the first mise en place to make sure I have everything. And then this is just after prep. And then the second mise en place in order of cooking. And these are all the goodies for the sauce for tonight. This is the completed sauce. And we have cornstarch and the beef, and then I will mix them together about 10 minutes or 15 minutes before cooking. Then I'm heating the oil over in the wok on high heat. Then I add the onions and saute them for a minute or two. And then I add the ginger and the garlic and saute for about a minute. And then I add all the peppers and the green onion and get them all sauteed together. And here are all the veggies in one spot. And then I push up the veggies on the side of the wok and I add the beef to cook. And then after a few minutes, I get them all together and cook it continually for another few minutes. And this is the finished product in the wok. This is the cooked rice. And this is the finished Mongolian beef.